In this video, we will be covering how to claim Rhombus license keys and how to assign one of those licenses to a device. To start, locate the email from the Rhombus shipping team containing your license key. Copy the key, click Claim License Keys at the bottom of the email, and log in to the Rhombus console. Once logged in, navigate to Settings, and below Licenses and Features, click Manage. The License Management page provides a quick overview of all active licenses in your account and details regarding their expiration dates. Paste the license key you copied earlier into the field in the upper right corner and click Claim Licenses. A pop-up will appear outlining the details of your license key. If the details are accurate, click the checkbox at the bottom and click Redeem. Next, navigate to the Devices page and click on an unlicensed device. Below the video player, click Add License. Click the checkbox on the right that corresponds to one of the licenses you just claimed. If you purchased an enterprise license, select a cloud archiving option, enable your preferred device features, and click Save. After a few seconds, refresh the page and your camera will start recording and be ready to go.